Ethereum value equivalent to $29.3959 a coin. The present exchanged cost range 28.914129 at 78.27. The earlier day close 29.6882. The change was 29.23 to 98%. Opposite rate US to ETH. Ethereum estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $19.14. Exorbitant cost $29.25, while low cost $1,847. The found the middle value of cost $19.68. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $19.86. Change for August 3.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $19.86. Excessive cost $24.65, while low cost $19.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $20.85. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 2304. Change for September 16%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at $2,304. Excessive cost $24.68, while low cost $21.46. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $2,306. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,307. Change for October's 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,307. Exorbitant cost $2,763, while low cost $2,307. The found the middle value of cost $2,490. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,582. Change for November 11.9%. Ethereum gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,582. Excessive cost $3,120, while low cost $2,582. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $2,800. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $29.16. Change for December 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at $29.16. Excessive cost $3,390, while low cost $29.16. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3.98. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,168. Change for January 8.6%. Ethereum figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $3,168. Exorbitant cost $3,442, while low cost $29.92. The found the middle value of cost $3,205. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,217. Change for February 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at $3,217. Exorbitant cost $3,540, while low cost $3,076. The found the middle value of cost $3,285. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,308. Change for spring 2.8%. Ethereum gauge for April 2025. To start with, cost at $3,308. Excessive cost $3,575, while low cost $3,107. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,333. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,341. Change for April 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $3,341. Exorbitant cost $3,688, while low cost $3,206. The found the middle value of cost $3,421. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,447. Change for May 3.2%. Ethereum conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $3,447. Excessive cost $3,696, while low cost $3,212. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,452. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,454. Change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $3,454. Excessive cost $3,793, while low cost $3,297. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,522. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,545. Change for July 2.6%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at $3,545. Excessive cost $4,315, while low cost $3,545. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,860. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $40.33. change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $40.33. Exorbitant cost $4,365, while low cost $3,793. They found the middle value of cost $4,068. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $40.79, change for September 1%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $40.79. Exorbitant cost $5,063, while low cost $40.79. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $44.88. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,732, change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $4,732. Excessive cost $4,732, while low cost $40.72. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $44.79. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,379, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum figure for December 2025. Initially cost at $4,379. Excessive cost $4,379, while low cost $3,421. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,964. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,678, change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $3,678. Excessive cost $4,565, while low cost $3,678. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $4,047. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,266, change for January 16%. Ethereum conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at $4,266. Excessive cost $4,266, while low cost $3,392. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $3,893. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,647, change for February 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at $3,647. Exorbitant cost $3,647, while low cost $3,138. They found the middle value of cost $3,452. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,374, change for spring 7.5%. Ethereum estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $3,374. Exorbitant cost $41.88, while low cost $3,374. They found the middle value of cost $3,713. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,914, change for April 16%. Us to ETH expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 311 coins. Excessive costs of $433, while lows are $3,008.